Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the YouTube mobile app and locating the short you want to change. Tap Library, choose your videos, then open the short and tap the three-dot menu. Select Edit to enter editing mode. Make sure your app is updated so you see the latest editing tools, and confirm the short isn't under review or copyright hold, because that blocks audio changes. Once in edit, you'll be in the right place to replace or adjust the audio track. Now you choose or add new music. Tap the audio or music icon to open YouTube's library and trending tracks. You can search or preview tracks, then tap Add to place a song on the timeline. Use drag handles to trim the clip or set the start time so it syncs with key moments. Make volume adjustments to balance voice and music, and if you're replacing the original audio, mute the original track. This keeps clarity. Once you're happy, preview the short end to finish by previewing the entire short to confirm timing and levels, then tap Save or Update to publish the new audio. If Save is disabled or changes fail, make sure there are no copyright claims, your app is current, and your account isn't restricted. Those issues commonly block editing. If you still can't change audio, export the video locally and re-upload as a new short, then copy the original title, description, and tags so you retain metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.